Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to name objects in PowerPoint. If we are working with animations, selections, or organizing complex slides, this will help. Now, let's open Microsoft PowerPoint. To name our objects, we first need to insert objects. Let's use this as an example. As you can see, we have 3 objects here. To name them, all we need to do is click the Home tab and go to Select. A drop-down menu will appear. We need to choose the Selection Pane. From here, we can select our objects. To rename one, we simply double-click the icon and then type a name, for example, item number 1. We can then pick another object and double-click it. This one will be item number 2. That's all it takes to name our objects. Once we are done, we just need to save the file to keep our changes. The great thing about this is that it lets us rename shapes, images, text boxes, and icons using the Selection Pane. This makes it much easier to organize our slides and manage animations or triggers. And that's how we name objects in PowerPoint.